What's the meaning of artificial insemination? Artificial insemination. Artificial insemination.
Artificial insemination. Artificial insemination. Artificial insemination is a reproductive technology used in both humans and animals to assist with fertilization. In this process, semen is collected from a male and then introduced into the reproductive tract of a female using medical instruments. This significantly increases the chances of fertilization occurring and can be done by a medical professional or trained technician. The resulting outcome of artificial insemination can be pregnancy and the birth of offspring without the need for natural mating between the male and female.